Hey everyone, Mason 2.0 is live, and here's one of my favorite use cases. I'll open up Mason, hit the app button, and I'm going to pull in the red flags and project financials automation. Mason is then going to pull from areas like the estimate, budget, approvals, and bills, and give me a rundown of areas that I should be concerned about or at least look into. Now remember, Mason's going to be pulling from the automation that is already pre-built in the automation screen. And if I look at the red flags one, I can see everything that goes into that prompt and the questions that it's going to ask, as well as that I'm asking it to list these red flags in categories of critical, just a warning, or purely informational. Now, if I go back to Mason, we can see it's pulled from several areas on the job. And now it's going to start typing out the summary or report to me through this automation. There we go. Again, breaking it out into the different categories. One is critical. We have a couple of critical things. A couple of warnings. Go. And then a few in the informational section. Also gives me a little summary down at the bottom. But this is really cool information that would previously require you to click between several different areas. And now you can see it all in Mason with one simple automated prompt. So if you're ready to stop prompting and start building, go to ressiosoftware.com and get a demo.